Piers Morgan was left seething with rage after Health Secretary Matt Hancock accused him of tittle-tattling during an incredibly cringe-worthy interview on Good Morning Britain today. The Health Secretary appeared visibly vexed as he appeared on GMB via video link as he addressed Piers' serious questions about the government's strategy. However, when Piers probed him about reports regarding what had been said between government officials in meeting about coronavirus measures last month, after being continuously questioned about the claims, MP Matt Hancock responded, "I am not going to go into the tittle-tattle that you're talking about." A furious Piers shouted indignantly, "Tittle-tattle? Really? How dare you?" He continued, "No, you're finding this irritating or whatever it is that's making you shake your head. Well, it's very hard to talk to you," the health secretary responded. Initially, he had been asked by Piers why the NHS seemed so ill-equipped and whether he would be able to offer reassurance to health workers, insisting that protecting NHS staff against coronavirus was incredibly important. He said, "They've got to have the equipment that they need. I've ensured that there's shipment to every hospital." He added, "We've brought into the army to help that distribution work." Piers interjected, questioning why the government was so woefully prepared. MP Hancock responded, "That's not the case and think you know it." "That is the case," Piers retorted. "The nurses don't feel protected." The health secretary replied, "No, wasn't saying that. If you allow me to answer the question, getting the masks, getting the protection to the front line is mission critical." He continued to say that there is distribution going out right now and that the issue is that there are suddenly many more cases of coronavirus. Piers then questioned why the government isn't putting the country into lockdown, saying, "Every day that we are not locking down we are putting the healthcare workers at risk." "I share your frustration," MP Hancock replied as he said that the strategy has been the same all along. However, Piers responded saying that there had been dramatic change in strategy, demanding, "Don't insult my intelligence." Earlier, Piers shared chilling image on his Instagram to warn that family relatives will die amid the coronavirus pandemic. He also unleashed his fury at some of the public's idiocy for treating yesterday like public holiday after shocking pictures emerged showing hordes of people collecting at parks and beaches despite the social distancing warnings. Piers also hit out at those bunched up in lines for supermarkets, potentially spreading COVID-19, branding them morons. He raged, "The utter crass stupidity of people, the ignorance." Piers also shared picture on his Instagram of two people separated by dead body lying on the floor. The stark image warned, "Confused about how far to distance yourself? Imagine the outline of dead relative between you." He captioned it, "Memo to all morons." Fans flocked to the comments, with one remarking, "The problem is all these fools on Facebook saying it's only flu. They show statistics of how people die each year from other diseases." While another commented, "So well put. Living in Germany in our supermarket there is plastic shield to protect the assistants and tape marking on the floor to distance shoppers." A third remarked, "I've been self-isolated for weeks tomorrow now thanks to my family and friends as helped me through. This notice should be put up as ad in popular TV shows and cross social media." Another wrote, "Please listen to Piers. He's not always right, no. But believe me, the guy is damn right just now." Harsh yes needs to be said.